Let's get an up-close look at this transmitter, this controller, before I tear it apart, make a build video out of this. So this side, you can see that there's a ring. Put your finger in, pull it on, and it moves, it pivots right there. So it kind of makes it easy. Spring load here. Small piece attached. These are your two main big blocks here. Dowels running through it. And then it's panduited onto the back bar of the controller. It's actually pretty strong. And here we got a geared slide. It's geared this way and geared this way. The other side we could do the same. Put that ring in as well. But we're letting this Arduino board actually turn this servo. This side there's a servo in there. It's pivoting on, but it's not hooked up to anything just yet. I mean, we could add something in later or whatever. But right now this is for the MindWave and this is manually. And this spring load switch, that's normally the trainer switch. When you have two controllers linked together, switch between there. And holding it up, you're using the MindWave, let off, and you have it manual. Smartphone goes right in here, and this kind of grips down on it. And this back part here, it's low enough that it can rest on it. Arduino board in there. It's the servo reverser. We need to reverse the signal. One of the parts. So all the pieces are numbered. These ones are all T for transmitter. See 3, 5, 10. So this piece of Velcro here is for the battery to stick on it. Plugs into this guy here. This is what plugs into our phone that we get an audio tone for to cause this servo to turn. Geared to the potentiometers. The only thing you have to do to the controller is just pop off these caps and put these printed ones, these gears on. These screws are the screws that come with servos, so you don't need to buy extra screws for that. So save those, the screws and the little brass mount pieces. We actually double up the brass mount pieces right there to make the screw, because that's a servo screw and it can only go to the end of this piece. So we double stacked it up there. It actually worked out good to hold a zip tie in place that's going around the servo. So tear it apart.